Hello, my name's Rosie and today I'm going to show you how to make a magical wand. Abracadabra! For this craft you will need your Artburst template, which you can download from our website, some glue, some sellotape, some felt tips. I've got yellow and orange, but you can choose any colour you like, some scissors and some gold glitter. So let's get making. First, cut out your Artburst star and wand template along the dotted lines. You can cut out your stars separately or as one piece to make it easier to fold them together later on. Now decorate your stars using felt tip pens or crayons. I've used orange and yellow, but you can use any colour you like. Take a long piece of tape and place it over the top edge of your wand template. Now turn over your wand template and roll it up from the bottom edge to meet the tape at the top. You may need an adult to help you with this as it can get quite fiddly. Smooth down the edges to secure in place. And now you have a fabulous stick for your wand. Turn over your stars and glue with PVA or Pritt stick. Then place your wand stick in the middle of one of your stars. Fold over and press down to secure in place. Now it's time to add some decoration. Stick some glue on to the points of your star and then sprinkle on some sequins or glitter to give your wand its magical sparkle. Tap gently to get rid of any excess glitter. Now repeat on the other side. And there you have it, your own magical wand. I wonder what magic you can make. Abracadabra! Brilliant! So your star wand is now all finished and you're ready to make some magic. You can also download our goat template and our bus template to make some brilliant singing sticks so you can join in with our singing and stories. Thank you. Goodbye.